Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our special session, ito yung special session ng Dalaga sa Muliang Bayan, now full of that. So, please everybody stand for our prayer and singing of the Trinity.
Manalangin tayo. Panginoong Diyos, itinataas namin ang iyong pangalan. Pinagpupurihan at pinasasalamatan ka namin sa lahat ng iyong mga ginawa at pagpapala. Salamat sa panibagong araw na ipinagkaloob mo sa amin. At sa oras na ito na kami ay muling natutunan. Gabayanin niyo po kami sa aming mga gawain. Bigyan mo po kami ng talino at lakas upang magampanan po natin ang aming mga tungkulin. Buksan mo po ang aming isip.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang mahiling, Diyos ang sinamanan, alam ng puso, sa dinig mo'y buhay. Lupang nihirang, kaya ng mahiling, sa manduruming, itatasisigil sa lahat tutok sa siwe at sa langit ng umagang, ay nalang tula, awis sa pagkaya minamahal, ang sa langit at tawag mo'y tagumpay na naging.
Secretary, please the room for the member of Muliang Bayan.
The role of the honorable members of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan. The honorables Armain, Chua, Jorda, Gatungay Jr., Bernardo, Sagibol, Tingson, Galan, Ong, Galang, Reyes. There are 5 council members in attendance.
We have the forum, so we declare a recess for 30 minutes para antayin natin yung mga ilang dumating. Okay, so we resume. Business for the day, number 1, communication from the municipal mayor, Mayor Rafael Custodio, requesting to pass a resolution authorizing the local executive to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Doris C. Martinez National High School for the establishment of alternative learning system ALS program for senior high school. May ano na ito? Ito? Sino nag-sponsor nito? Brother Mike?
According to presenting resolution number /2024, thus granting authority to the municipal mayor after Rafael Custodio to enter into MOA on memorandum of agreement to support and endorse the establishment of region accredited learning system or ALS senior high school at Doris Martinez National High School. Sponsored by Unit Schooling, whereas the 1987 Constitution provides further protection and promotion of this type of quality education at all levels, the necessary action to make education accessible to all, further assurance that education is relevant to the need of the people has also been mandated along with the encouragement of non-formal and indigenous learning system, as well as self-learning independent and out-of-school study program that respond to the need of the community. Whereas the ALS is parallel learning system in the Philippines, it provides practical option to the existing formal instruction for students who cannot access formal education in the school. Whereas the DepEd has introduced the K-12 basic education reform that includes senior high school advanced learning programs Herein referred to as SHS, with a major objective ensuring that graduates of basic education are ready for employment, entrepreneurship, and higher learning. Whereas our SHS curriculum can be customized at all levels to take into consideration the needs of local industries and the labor market. Whereas the school is among those that will offer ALS SHS to the students in the community to carry out the objectives for our SHS. Whereas to achieve this objective, the school needs to enter into partnership with the LGU. And therefore, motion to school is seconded by Councilor Blanc D. As it's the result of grant authority, students will be offered the opportunity to enter into memorandum agreement on mobile to support and the establishment of a region accredited learning system, senior high at the Doris in the Philippines National High School in the municipality. So finally, the discussion of the solution will be furnished to our for information reference to data.
Any comment regarding this draft resolution number 2024 dash? Wala? Okay. Hello?
Out of the resolution number 20 for granting authority to the Mayor after the Secretary to MOA to support and endorse the students of the region after the learning system also in high school, girls in the Philippines National High School, municipality be adopted.
Ito si Novan, secondary, reflection. Tingnan. Resolution number 2024-26 for adoption. So, adjournment, is that regarding?
I move to suspend to include the other MOA sa presiding. Sa presiding may travel tayo sa susunod. Kaya baka hanapin din nila sa presiding yung agency to agency na para din sa Brooks Point na bibili tayo doon sa kanila ng mga para sa mga bata.
So, anong pressure ng bade? Kagawad ka lang?
Basta po doon sa African 105 o Pangalapag Government Code. Yung special session po ay wala nang ibang pwede pang pumasok unless register the mayor sa presiding. At yung uwa po, doon pa lang sa special session na ay hindi siya for legality, hindi for the university budget po alam po natin. So, after the business for the day, base sa ating internal rules ng special session, i-adjournment na po kagad. Wala na po tayo dapat na-discuss yun dito sa presiding. Kasi ito po yung na-receive natin na magkaroon tayo ng special session for one agenda lang sa presiding. So, sana nga po, sabi ko masunod natin. So, kasi kung papasok tayo ng papasok, nagkaroon na nga po tayo ng violation dito sa ating measures, dalagdagan pa po natin sa presiding. So, yun lang din po ang pananaw ko sa presiding. Hindi ko lang po siya iba. Kasi walang other matters, walang other halos lahat. After the business po dahil sa government na po sa presiding. Yun po nakalagay po sa ating local government code and the internal rules and procedure po natin sa presiding.
Kagawad namin?
Sa presiding, bago naman tayo na sa presiding, pinagtanong muna tayo sa secretary kung pwede po na tayo magpapasok. Meron naman siya nakita dyan the local government code of 1991 tsaka sa internal rules natin na pwede with 2/3 votes to the majority. Kasi ang inaano natin dito sa presiding, hindi lang napansin na karaan na ito po pala is certified agent ng ating chief executive. Kaya baka hanapin sa atin. Yun lang naman, isa lang yun naman ang kalagay dito. Kami ko baka pwede lang talaga at ipasok na lang para matapos na. Meron po, baka pwede papasa na lang para...
So, we have a recess for 3 minutes lang siguro. para maano lang natin si Secretary kung paliwanag siya. Okay.
Certified agents by the municipal mayor.
Okay, so we resume.
Thank you so much, Mr. President.
So, anong pleasure ng body? Iska, ABC?
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Doon sa naalala ko nung nagkaroon ng convention, I think kung sa liga ng mga barangay o sa Councilors League na speaker, ang sabi nga, yung special system daw specific doon lang sa agenda na dapat talakayin. But if the majority was favor to tackle any other agenda, ay po pwede daw. Basta the majority of the member ay makuha yung consensus at pumabor doon at talakayin yung outside doon sa agenda na nakasaad doon sa special ay po pwede. With the consensus of the majority. Thank you po.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Tama po yung Mr. President. Ang iniwasan na po natin, baka mamaya, may mga visyos na ipapasok. Like sabi nangyari na yung mga sabong na yan, na dapat, ang mga pasensya po talaga, yung mga sabong na yan, dapat 1 month before, nagsasalang na sila ng kanilang request. At mayroon pa kami sa request lang para kung ano-ano lang, may desisyonan lang ng majority, ng two-third majority. Yan po ang iniwasan natin na society. Kaya titignan dapat natin ito yung quality ng isang resource kung kailangan siya ipasok doon sa special section. So, okay na ako, Mr. President, salamat. Yun lang din po ang magiging concern ko po doon. Baka mamaya kahit naman resource, i-special section po natin. Thank you.
Okay, may ano ito, may draft na gagawin?
Ano po, Mr. President? Kung ito lang po sana nasa batas, Mr. President, ay yun lang ang natin. Wala namang sinasabi doon na kailangan quality. Pero with the consensus of the two-third votes, ay pwede naman. Wala namang problema yung pinakailangan. Resolution number 2024 last block, a resolution authorizing 68, authorizing Municipal Mayor Abner Rafael Tesorio, Municipality of Sobromia Espanola to enter into sign an agency-to-agency agreement with Municipal Mayor of Los Point, represented by Municipal Mayor Cesario R. Benedito Jr. Implementation of Nutrition Program in this municipality. Kung alam hindi ko po pwede naman ipatawag si Dr. Rato. Ordered by Committee on Rules, Laws, Good Government. Whereas RA 7160, Section 17D, to mandated municipal governments to provide these services and facilities which include, among others, nutrition services. Whereas the municipal government of Brooksmont is one of the southern municipalities in the province of Palawan that can provide rice flours and complementary food products through agency agreement, whereas the municipal government will act as serving agency. Whereas the municipal government of Sobromia Espanola has a nutrition program that includes the provision of rice flours and complementary food products, whereas the municipal government of Sobromia Espanola will act as procuring agency in this agreement. Now the promotion of yours to the Muslim seconded by all Sangguniang Bayan members of block, be it resolved at December to pass a resolution authorizing Municipal Mayor Abner Rafael Tesorio, Municipality of Sobromia Espanola, Palawan, to enter into sign an agreement, an agency-to-agency agreement with the Municipal Government of Sobromia Espanola, represented by its Municipal Mayor, Cesario Benedito Jr., for the implementation of nutrition program in this municipality. Reserved finally the copies of this resolution be immediately forwarded to the following offices concerned for information and immediate reference and appropriate action to it.
Okay, any comment? Correction regarding this draft resolution number 2024-268? Wala? Okay, can you go?
Thank you, Mr. Presiding. I move that the resolution, as blank, resolution authorizing municipal mayor, Honorable Abdel Baldesuri, municipal mayor, Sopronio Espanola Palawan to enter into and sign an agency agreement with the municipal government of Crosspoint represented by Municipal Mayor Honorable Cesario John Benedito Jr. for implementation of nutrition program in this municipality.
Okay, Mr. Logan, no objection? Saying lang. Solution number 2024-268 is available for adoption. So, yes, kagagalan.
Mr. Presiding, actually kakatulog lang ng cellphone ko. Pinapalo-up din po nila yung incentive po nila doon sa upload. Ito ko lang alam kung bibigyan po ipasok.
Incentive sa?
Yung sa upload po, yung prices ng upload na nakakalintal po ng nakawang isyon. Yung sa upload. Yung 100,000 na pagkatiyatian ng 26 student workers.
So, ano pleasure ng body?
Sino nag-request?
Ako, kay Gorgala.
Hindi yung sinasabi niyang i-request daw po nila.
Nila eh. Nakakalindad dati yun.
Hindi nga po, sabi nila, kasi hindi naman post. May sinasabi siya nag-request.
Ano sinabi? Sabi nila?
Opo.
Anong question mo?
Sino po ang nag-request? Maliban mo sa kanya.
Kaya ano pa dahil?
Thank you very much for deciding. Medyo matagal na rin po kasi sa akin ang chat dito. Medyo matagal na po na kailangan natin kasi ng mga bata yun.
Kasi nga sa lumis, wala tayo sisyon.
Papapagalan ko po. Kung okay lang naman sa body, ako po ay kailangan natin ilagay sa mga bata. Kasi napapag-isipan na po ng hindi maganda yung ating mga nagawak natin.
Nagagawin, anong simo?
Yung mga bata na nakuha. Kung okay na sa lahat.
Wala, ikaw lang naman ang
Ano nga po?
Ha?
Ano nga po?
Ikaw lang nagtanong doon sa pinapasok ni Kagawad-Gala na kung pwedeng ipasok dito sa special session.
Hindi ka may sinasabi kasi na gusto ko kasi malaman kung sino yung nag-request sa tanong.
So,
Kaya nga po, siyempre gusto rin natin liwanagin kung sino. Yung mga bata, hindi yun yung isa ko. Sino gawa ng plot?
sino mga bata?
Kaya nga kung may nag-request kasi, yung alam naman natin kung sino nag-request. Wala naman siguro masama.
Tama yun. Kasi pag hindi natin alam, magtanong tayo. Huwag natin masamahin yung pagtatanong.
Yes, tama po yun.
Kaya tama yan si Kagawad Armay, nagtatanong lang. Okay?
Opo.
So,
Iwan ko na. Kasi sa akin,
walang drapit.
Nakasabi kasi naka-refer yun.
Kaya nga. Ito yung yung drop. Okay, ano nga? Kaya basahin mo na lang yung doon, plus.
Para mapaliwanagan din po kasi natin sila kung ano talaga yung ano ba yun? Ito. I move that draft resolution number that's very detailed for the
May drop.
meron po.
Ay, kasi kasama lang. Huwag na i-move ka.
Ha? Oh, sorry. Basahin mo ba? Approving the request of granting of prize received from road competition during Barangatan 2024 among the in-charge individual employees of the LGU. Sponsored by yours truly, whereas the municipality of Bronx Peninsula had recently participated in 2024 Barangatan and received the amount of 100,000 per float. Whereas the municipal mayor of Narapel requested that the said amount be given to the personnel who made prepared the float in recognition for the talent shared and efforts exerted to bring honor to the municipality. Whereas the honorable body finds that the requested act is reasonable and it is right to afford them acknowledgement of their effort to granting the prize received. Wherefore, upon motion of yours truly duly seconded by Councilor Blanc, be it resolved as the result to approve the request for granting of prize received from the float competition during Baragatan 2024 among and in charge individuals employees of the LGU. Employees of the LGU. Receive finally that the copies of this resolution be furnished to the Office of the Municipal Mayor, Office of the Municipal Accountant, Office of the Municipal Budget Officer, Office of the Municipal President, and all other concerned for the information on appropriate action.
6 million.
266. Number na yun.
Okay, any correction regarding this draft? Wala na. Okay, there you go.
I move the draft resolution number 24-2026 be adopted.
It has been moved and seconded. No objection? Then, resolution number 2024-266 is hereby approved for adoption. Pero pa? Maghapon tayo rito ka-insert. Sige lang. Handa na ba yung merienda natin? Sino mag-move sa adjourn? Yes, ABC.
I move that our special session will be
Okay, tas yung move and seconded. No objection? Then, our special session for today's adjourn.